And I go see dangerous people and leave them alone. I mean, no want nobody tell me no. No tell me no. You see, when you're ready for trouble people like me, remember you have kids. When you're ready for combo people like me, remember you have kids. I mean, no want nobody tell me no, because I never trouble her. You know me out in a giant church. You know me capable of doing. Before you come for people like me, remember you have kids. You don't care about them, you don't care about them neither.
Yes, people. Welcome to another episode of Current Goals CV. You see me? Well, then we'll get down to the meat of the matter. You see me? I say, why is that? But you understand what I say? So we are scroll up on TikTok like usual. I will say Ivany and D. I go back and forth and back, side to side with each other. You see me? But what I realize is that Ivan needed to do a thing, you see me? Well, she get the woman putting them involved, you see me? So she Photoshop some picture of the woman putting her hair back then, and she put some male private parts and putting them mouth corner, you see me? Yeah. So she must be there one party and something must happen and Ivan he never want the people them take no picture putting their name ice. Some melting ice or some work ice, melting ice, you see me? She never want nobody take no picture. So she start tell them, yo, you like her opinion, celebrity and thing, you see me? So she said, don't do the next thing. I'm go see them on the internet with private part there, the mouth corner. And just remember that she do to the woman picnic, but that she run from that I fear. And I don't care about this carelessness we are going between them two big women here. Carelessness. On both sides them careless. But for really things that Ivan is a mother. You see me? She have her picnic. You see me? And she wouldn't like somebody take a picture of her picnic and do what she do to the woman. And go put woman catches her mouth corner. Even worse, go put man private thing her mouth corner like what she do to the woman picnic. You see me? And she depend the lives. I try to mask it up, I try to patch it up, make it look better. And in no way it look better because woman you're wrong. And you're careless and heartless and but now no respect for you from your bring an innocent child in a little careless adult argument. Because the two are only careless. One sell pussy upon life and whatever she do. And the next one, I don't know what she do. She must go around and do the same thing. I don't care about the two on. But Ivan really bring the innocent penny them in her slackness. And then after the people them are cast her, but what she do? She turn around and go do it again. And Photoshop the woman penny them again and put man private part at the mouth corner and send it to the woman inbox for Instagram. I don't know how woman like to even have man. Cause I don't know how the man them stomach on the dog, on a sick man. Can't look for you, girl, you're ugly and you're not even real. You see me? He's a whole transformer. You see me? You're not real to me. I can't believe a woman like a woman we have her own pitney in the dog. Look what she do to her next woman pitney. You know, say a mad woman this. Nah, no rate him to that girl, man. You see me? A shit water this man. You see me? A flush if you get flush, man. Yeah, man. No respect for that girl, Ivan, man. Dirty girl, man. You see me? Mouth no good, man. Dirty mouth girl, man. No respect, no class about that. But anyways, people, you see me? I the video this.
Look, views
You
off
see
and
me?
no
I the
girl.
argument this.
Because
Yeah,
my
man.
only
Take
come
it in.
live. Miss Fabulous. Because I know you always do look at review them. You come over here ask for me. Hear what I know, Miss Fabulous. When you listen good. When you listen good and tell me now. Listen good. Ivany got a fish fly last night, right? Apparently, and she saw blood clot dungs. Some people there the fish fry must see that try to take picture with ice. She come out and she accused all her friend them she do the most. She say, me no want nobody take the blood clot picture with ice. Next thing me look gonna take him picture and put cocky on face. That Ivany say. Next thing me look, gonna take ice picture and put cocky on face. No me. My three youth them, Ivany take down them picture and put body of them face. Y'all hear me? When Ivany said that last time, it was a trigger for me. When I come on like this man, I was talking about the situation and I did not say anything about the girl. I said, I understand where her frustration was coming from because she did it to me. And I was like in liquid mental part of me. But when me hear she say it last night, to hear the fear in her voice, me I say, you see, you never know what it feels like until you are in the position. That's what I said. And I also said, me not undermine her as a parent. I said I'm not undermined as a parent, and I'm not saying anything bad about her. I never dissed her. I never classed her. I never said nothing bad about the girl. When me look, the girl click her live over there, call me pitney them mongrel. And I'm going to say over much by pitney man and nobody, I'm pitney them can't in a class with Ice because Ice a celebrity and Ice a top baby. So me I make sure know say bitch, if me didn't want celebrity kids, we can go there. Me pitney them have things pack up and pile up where them not here yet. See there? Pack up and pile up. Where them not here yet, Ivany. See there? And I pay original Ivany, them not fake. Ivany, I pay Bumbo Club, Polo and Old Navy, and I can show you prices, Ivany, because they depend them. Pay Old Navy, pack up and pile up, drop on top of draw, girl. See, draw when me there, but pull yet, girl. See it, ya? Think I drop me and make. See there, Ivany, see there? Me, you them well comfortable in a life. Well comfortable in a life, Vani. But the difference with me is me not need social media, baby. Me not need celebrity, baby, to make it out, girl. Me had read for my blood clot owner, me had read very good. Because me you them intelligent na fuck. Make we clock bumbo clot GPA. Make we clock blood clot GPA. Me put them now getting another 90. I post me no post them blood clot school things them because me no want bitches like you have all of it. Because bitches like you take my child and put cocky on them face already. Whore. Ariana, close that door there. So that happen. Then I have some people over here start come talk about Ivany this and Ivany that because you not smart. And everything what Ivany do, wanna make it look like, ooh, Ivany queen. Ivany is a queen in our blood class thinking her asshole. Ivany is no queen. No queen. No blood clot queen. Queens don't need to tear down people kids to be seen and heard. If you're class a girl, you never have to come back from a blood clot pitney them. Because you have youth. You have your pitney them. So if you're class, you don't have to mention my pitney them. Remember you come out in a Vani. You know a girl, the devil, you devil make sense. Me I tell you the truth, I got love. The devil make sense. My sister called me and tell me that if she me not answer back. Because you have a blood clot get it today. You're a coward little bitch. You're a coward bitch. You're not bad bitch. You're not pretty bitch. You're not independent bitch. You none of that. You have a company me that come to some fucker for stay relevant. Fucking out of that. Not do that, girl. Not do that. Not do that, girl. Class me, all you want class me. And you can't blood clot. No, you can't say nothing. We go at me. Because if you don't come out as some more jobbers, I post screenshots right now. I post screenshots right now. Because no boy never left me yet and want to stay left. Them always I try to come back, come beg me back for there with them. So talk about him so I can post screenshots to show and say, no girl. No, I'm not for run back on no boy. Them always try to find them way back and me no want them back. No do that. You stink. I do for wish life. Ivany can't come on this. No views, no clout, more than I go. Anytime you come in, you say nothing. And if it burn me, or if it don't make sense, I'm feel like for class you back and that. Tell Ivany forgot add her mother when I check for her. That you forgot add. Just like me when I want to check for me, tell her forgot add for her when I check for her. Because I like me now look validation from stinking girl. One thing me now look validation from stinking girl.
Get ready to dig into Subway's.
Me at this you intelligently, neatly and nicely. Go fuck your mother.
Perfectly 10.
Hold them ya. Hold them ya. You're not getting no stray bullet. A peer shot. No stray bullet. A peer shot you get to suck out your mother. Fuck you take this for bitch. Why?
I never see somebody love clothes so. She go on meds.
Shit you want, bro? Stop fucking putting your legs up in the camera like that, man. What you? Huh? Are you candy? Are you candy? Stop fucking playing with me like that, bro. What the fuck is wrong with this man, bro? Talking about is he on me? You know. Because at the end of the day, I took him.
Honestly, the girl, she a clothes chase and I can't believe the girl take me.
You see, Ivany a king of fuck and me think say a king body little. Look like a Ivany pussy did think and big can't accept the man. Eh? Cannot.
My pussy stink and king a come tonight, but your pussy make your pussy, you know. Your friend take for your man from you, your married man. Your friend where you have for how much years. Pussy better than fear. Cause Jilani run well if you go to fear friend and then send 3 girl on top of it for beat you up. Plus where you live uncomfortable because the family land where you live and the people them don't want you today. Why you always some careless people want to argue with me? If these stay up on the life till 5 p.m. them go to stone our house, the family member them a tell her to come off of the property. So how she want? I always careless people want argue with me. Yeah, that's the first thing she do. As the honor start cause she gone for this song. She gone for this song and the only thing I can talk about is me and my man. Me and my man will not left, will never left. And at least we can find somebody where we accept my stinkness. If King Love said stink, so what? She's a cloud chaser, bro, and it's crazy how the girl over. Look on the big man.
I beat them. Right.
Me rather have one picnic for a man than have 3 and him now look on 3 of them.
You're outside and bright. Outside and bright. Me not add no girl for my life and take nothing. Ivany is not my friend and she will never be my friend. Never be my friend. Your class me picnic them one time and me make you slide. You never class them again and me make you slide again. No time. You will never, ever see me blood clot a chop back to your little stinking girl. No time. No.
Me I go make them suck so watch. Let's see if me find them picture. You start me up. I'm not gonna answer. I go watch this. So one of them.
Who you pose? Next.
Alright.
Come daughter.
Screenshot you. You wanna go that way with me? I bet one of the sim wanna know if you leave me alone because my love come out to the kids them. Alright. And I go see dangerous people and leave them alone. I mean, no want nobody tell me no. Not tell me no. You see, when you're ready for trouble people like me, remember you have kids. When you're ready for combo people like me, remember you have kids. I mean, no want nobody tell me no because I never trouble her. You know me out in a giant church. You know me capable of doing. Before you come for people like me, remember you have kids. You don't care about them, you don't care about them neither.
Any ocean blood clot week back, she go pay feet this time. So tell her.
I'm not going to see. You don't know who name me. Alright. May I look for the biggest hood. May I send it to our DM. Boy, pay. Go suck your mother. Pay for what? I'm telling you, don't ramp with me, you know. I'm telling you, say, do not play with me. Come in, I'm going to answer you, you know. When you go get your attorney, I could see you for money bigger. I not run a joke, I don't want you to tell me nothing, because I never trouble her. You don't tell me anything. To them, I'm not going to listen to you, you know. I'm not going to listen to Uno today, because Uno sister, I never trouble the bitch. And you come about me today. Alright. She too hard. You come take me and like my blood clot trouble, you dirty girl. You can't even find house, you can't even find money for fix up your cottage. And you go find money for carry go court. Me could see who go win. You can't carry me go court, dirty girl. You carry your pussy go court and your dirty living condition. A cloud shall look, bro. Clouds. Boy, it hurts you. What it have to do with you, boy, hurt you? When Jabba's fuck out your dirty wall and left you. Cause your pussy curse. It never hurt you. When I make a TikTok of them just a name out your front and a fuck and done you out. It never hurt you. What's your name on Instagram? I'm gonna send it to her. What's your name on Instagram? Oh. Am I dumb to post it to make TikTok to come up page? The girl work, the kids go to school block. Am I dumb? If I can brawl and make that pan live and make everybody know say I'm brawling and make it. You know say the girl bad man. You know say the girl I try to take views. You know say the girl all about popularity. The last something I post on TikTok, on Instagram, and me I suck my manhood and them to come up page. Am I dumb to post it for them to come up page and me just build up again? Am I dumb? Am I dumb? Post it now and 5 person probably don't ever view it. Because Instagram gonna take it down immediately. What? Go ease yourself, yeah, man. Go bill. And then you go play a victim now. You go act like say as somebody see you and trouble you. You know, as some wicked people them, you know. The people them need to come off of them land and
Live and generate your own little views nowadays and do something that is sensible and will make sense. Eh? You can't just do something progressive and sing things smart. Every day is the same bullshit. Every
and you provoke your family member them for them want you off of the land so people can come starve for you to give you money. You know what you do is a little troublemaker. You is a little troublemaker. Because I didn't trouble you. I didn't trouble you. I didn't beg friend from you. Are you rush up in on me? I'm still never as a friend associate. I play one look match with you, I go about my business. I go sell me fuck pan OnlyFans and you come boots and talk about it. And about what look good for one never look good. The last time I check, you say you see the little thing and it cute, especially when me and my man set it so. So oh no, you have something different for say about me and my man. And my man who dead and now your advice in the Skilly Ben song say it did sound good and it did look good. So how now you change your mouth? All of a sudden now who dead?
the same thing where the panic, the same thing where the panic a ball boat. You never want nobody to do it to your child. And that you do. Just now to mine. And then, you don't want to sit down and feel like, say, this girl is somebody. Ivany, you're not nobody. Yes, nobody, you're not nobody at all. All you be is a piece of shit. That's it. That's all you be. Thank you. Walk up and down right through she can't. Make them turn, man. I'm not black them. Make them turn. Because you will go and black them on live, they still can't comment on my page. On my TikTok also, so make them stay. Make them... Hey! I'm not charge them there. Find me charger them. Charger them now. Tell Uncle if you give me the charger when I have in the kitchen now. Well, Aisha, where the other look here, nobody piss me off.
Something happened years ago. Something happened years ago. It had nothing to do with you or needed your opinion. And even if you give one opinion, the opinion the way you give upon it is a hypocrite opinion that. Just like I could have give opinion upon a rose situation and people say me did enough. Because that was a genuine opinion. Me a genuinely tell her say the boy I don't want her and she go feel it. And see me live for see it go on now. Me live for see it go on now. But you come and I take up my problem them by your head. And I talk about what me did do to fear Pitney after you claim to say, oh, me and Vanya a friend. And you and Vanya sit down and you play a match every day. But you're quick to come class me about something what happened years ago and still say you have picture in your phone and you still pre me for this. But yet still, there is no way a girl could have put a picture like that with ice and me sit down on screen with her. Not there. When you look to a friendly and love views. When you rather views over on a picnic. No girl pan the live and no boy pan TikTok. Why you think me not talk back to Destiny? You think me not like Destiny? Me not have a hate for Destiny. Remember me and Destiny did have a whole heap of things before that. And me talk back to Destiny multiple times and nobody could stop that and nobody no program me. If you don't want to give me so make it be, nobody no program me. But when Destiny go send me the message, boy, I go wear my do to ice. And that make me cut off all loose and up till today, Destiny can never talk back to me. Never. And me put big black hood pan fear 3 musketeers them. And because of coins and you love coins over your pitney, you come play with me and you play hypocrite with me. Forget money, coins. You know that sell on soul. You that sell your kids them soul for money. You that sell them soul to gain the world. And that you would do. Can you make because of coins and views make you sit down and laugh in my face and play with me, knowing that you still have me up for something we gone long time. A real genuine mad and smarty with sense now sit down and laugh up on no screen with no girl we do things like that to them pitney. You see you did have the picture in your phone from last year and New Year, make you something fresh for look on. Save that one day too. Yeah. She needed something new and I give it to her. She needed something more recent and I give it to you. Now, look at the picture and tell me if that pose is okay and if you like it. I can make a couple more and send it to you. I just send you 2 more minute edit and that's it. Me done with you now. All of the girls let me come back.
She said more, check your ID. Listen to me, Ivany is a waste of time. Ivany is a waste of time. Ivany is a shit in a plate bucket. Ivany coming like a trans man.
D.
Oi, Harry! Turn down your TV and come like that door, yeah.
D.
Oi, Pops.
Come here, cook a river and tap make you make blood clot mad girl and make you cuss fan like. You hear that?
You know me tell you something now, me them people are drum. You think you get a call cause my blood
Yeah,
clot?
better stop following. Cook a river, views him and look. You ready?
Where you there?
Alright, me I come right now.
You there near?
Me so rich, I Benz me I drive. So be time
Me
I
not ask you that. Remember say you the far, so me ask if you there near so me know if you do brother.
No, me not there near.
Oh. Yes, come in. But not there near really, man.
Alright.
Me call you to turn the TV down, baby.
Oh.
Boy, you put Ivany never, girl. You see me like a chicken monk when me have in ya? Never in a history, not Amora. Guys, I'm going on my backup page. Guys, me I go page.
Are you dumb? The day them take my license plate, the day mommy sweetness call me, I go change it the next day. Me 10 step ahead of uno. Me 10 step ahead of uno. Them take it off today and post it and me change it